Hello everyone, welcome back to speakupyury. Today I want to share with you a Google tip. Sometimes we find nice texts we would like to share with other people, we would like to edit, but we have the text as a picture. For instance, I found this text very nice about the Olympic Games, and I have some questions related to the text. The thing is that I would like to add extra information and I would like to edit the questions or change the amount of questions, etc. So if we want to edit this, for example, it would be really time consuming if we type the whole thing. So I'm gonna show you how to use Google Drive and Google Docs to convert this image into text so we can keep on editing the text. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that the image resolution is good enough, that the text is clear, and if you can scan it, it would be much better. Once you have your image in your computer, you go to your Google account and you go to the waffle icon. There you have the access to Drive. You click on Drive. You must be logged in, of course, with your email account. Once you are in Drive, we click on New and we upload a new file or subir archivo. There you'll find the picture in your computer. For example, here I have it. This is the name of the picture. I open it, it is uploading here. Once you have the picture in Drive, you click Write. Then you find the option Open with or Abrir con. Then you click on Documento de Google or Google Document. After that, a new document will be opened and you'll find the picture and the text for us to be able to edit it. Of course, there are some things that we have to check. We have to make sure that everything is correct. We can change the font size, the colors, whatever you want to do, you will be able to do it just with Google Docs. You will also be able to share this document so another person can edit it or share it with your students or another person that needs this text to be edited. Or you can download it in your computer so you can continue working on your own software. That's all. I hope it's been useful to you. See you in a new video. Bye bye.